The anticipation surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event in January 2025 is reaching fever pitch. Fans and tech enthusiasts alike are eagerly waiting to see what the tech giant has in store, particularly with rumors suggesting the debut of the Galaxy S25 series alongside major software announcements. At the heart of this speculation is the stable release of Samsung's One UI 7.0, a much-discussed update that has been eagerly awaited since the rollout of its beta versions began. So far, Samsung has released two beta updates for One UI 7.0, with the third one expected as early as next week. While the beta program has provided glimpses into the new features and improvements, the spotlight is now shifting to the stable version. Leaked information from a reliable source, ex-user at Family Tays, has hinted that Samsung might announce the release schedule for the stable update during the Galaxy Unpacked event, set to take place on January 22, 2025. This particular event could prove to be one of Samsung's most significant in recent years. In addition to unveiling the Galaxy S25 lineup, which includes the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, it is rumored that these devices will be the first to come preloaded with One UI 7.0. This integration would mark a major milestone, solidifying Samsung's reputation for delivering seamless hardware-software synergy. The road to One UI 7.0's stable release has been longer than many had hoped. After the imminent third beta update, it is expected that Samsung will push out 2 or 3 additional beta versions before making the stable update widely available. If all goes according to plan, the update could roll out to Samsung's premium and mid-range devices before the end of the third quarter of 2025. High-end models in the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series, along with select Galaxy S series devices, are likely to be prioritized. This timeline, however, comes with its share of challenges. Compared to the rollout of One UI 6.0, Samsung has been noticeably behind schedule this time. The delay of more than 3 months in launching the One UI 7.0 beta program has not gone unnoticed, leaving users wondering if the company can streamline the process for future updates. Looking ahead, Google plans to release the stable version of Android 16 in mid-2025, 3 months earlier than usual, potentially setting a tighter timeframe for Samsung to deliver One UI 8.0 based on the new Android version. Despite these delays, Samsung's commitment to its user base remains clear. With One UI 7.0, the company is expected to bring a host of refinements and features that enhance usability, improve performance, and offer a more intuitive interface. This update is not just about catching up, it's about setting the stage for the next generation of devices and experiences. For fans of the Galaxy S series, the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 models is undoubtedly the main attraction. These devices are rumored to come with cutting-edge technology, stunning design upgrades, and powerful performance capabilities. Coupled with the debut of One UI 7.0, they represent Samsung's vision of innovation and excellence for 2025. As the tech world counts down to January 22, excitement and curiosity continue to build. Will Samsung deliver on its promises and give its fans the update they have been waiting for? Will the Galaxy S25 series set new benchmarks for mobile technology? Only time will tell. For now, all eyes are on the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, where the future of Samsung's ecosystem will begin to unfold. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the big day. The journey to January 2025 is just beginning, and it promises to be an exciting ride. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.